Have you ever dreamt of escaping the cold, gray winter to a world where golden sands warm your feet, where moonlit waves dance under starry skies and hidden coves whisper secrets of the sea? Well, this isn't just a dream. Welcome to Travel and More, where we believe in turning dreams into reality. So, sit back, relax, and let us guide you through these hidden gems, where the only footprints in the sand are your own, where the only sounds are the rhythmic whispers of the sea, where every sunrise and sunset paints a unique masterpiece in the sky. Prepare yourself for a journey of a lifetime, as we embark on this exciting adventure together. First stop on our adventure, Fernando de Noronha in Brazil. This island, tucked away from the busy city life, is a paradise of tranquility. Here, nature is alive and unspoiled. Picture yourself feeling the salty Atlantic winds brushing against your skin, and the crystal-clear waters shimmering in a spectrum of blues and greens under the sun. Rich with diverse marine life, it's a haven for snorkelers desiring to unravel the mysteries of the underwater world. Dream of the feel of warm sand under your feet, the calming murmur of the sea and the liberating aroma of the ocean. Fernando de Noronha delivers a unique experience of joy, serenity, and unwinding. Ready yourself for a once-in-a-lifetime journey, right here in Fernando de Noronha, where each moment is a precious memory in the making. Picture yourself escaping the bitter cold of winter, right here in this tropical paradise with pristine beaches and abundant marine life. Next, we set our compass towards Boracay in the Philippines. Known for its immaculate white sandy beaches and awe-inspiring sunsets, this destination is a radiant jewel in the heart of the archipelago. Cloaked in lush greenery, the island calls out to your adventurous spirit. Boracay unveils a montage of awe-inspiring landscapes, a refreshing departure from the mundane. The lush greenery extends as far as the eye can see, a testament to nature's generosity. Here in Boracay, life dances to a rhythm of its own. The rustling palm leaves, the harmonious symphony of exotic birds, and the gentle rhythm of the crystal-clear waters against the unspoiled shore meld together to form a symphony of nature's serenity. As we draw closer, it becomes evident that this tranquil haven is a spiritual solace, a soothing sanctuary. Serenity permeates your being as your senses are enveloped in the earthy fragrances and the gentle whispers of nature. It feels like stepping into a tranquil watercolor painting. Our third stop takes us to the beautiful Isla Mujeres in Mexico. Known for its clear turquoise waters and vibrant coral reefs, this island offers more than just daytime marvels. As the night falls, the soft sand becomes a platform for a unique spectacle. With the fresh night air brushing your skin and the quiet whispers of the sea breeze, tranquility takes over. The Caribbean Sea transforms under a mystical glow, displaying a wonder known as bioluminescence. This natural phenomenon is caused by millions of luminescent organisms, painting a surreal picture on the water surface. The entire bay under a sky filled with stars immerses you in an enchanting ambiance. A swift shooting star may even heighten the magic of the scene. The extraordinary visuals leave a lasting impression, making this nighttime experience truly unforgettable. Clear turquoise waters by day and a magical spectacle by night, Isla Mujeres is certainly a place to remember. Next, we visit the Whitsunday Islands in Australia. This group of 74 islands is nothing short of an earthly paradise, a sanctuary far distinct from routine tourist destinations. Nestled in the embrace of the Coral Sea, they showcase an extraordinary geography that leaves you in awe. Here you can witness panoramic views, unspoiled beaches, and a seamless blend of verdant landscapes with the cerulean sea. This visual orchestra paints an enchanting array of colors. Each island, each grain of sand has a story to tell of its ancient origins. It's an escape, a sojourn in the lap of nature, a respite from the urban turmoil. The serenity is only punctuated by the rhythmic slap of waves against the shore, echoing throughout the islands. You can feel the energy of the waves as they collide with the coast. These islands are not just a destination, they're a narrative that unravels with each step you take, a haven for nature aficionados. It's more than a destination. It's a journey, a story that reveals itself with every step, a sanctuary for those who find joy in nature. Our journey takes us to the splendid 7-Mile Beach in Grand Cayman, the pride of the Caribbean. This long coral sand beach, unspoiled and captivating, stands as a stark contrast to the urban sprawl of Japan. A refuge in our busy world, 7-Mile Beach offers clear waters and beautiful coral reefs, making it a maritime spectacle of raw, untouched nature. This isn't just any beach. It's a showcase of pristine beauty and serenity, captured in the sun-kissed coral sand. A stark contrast to golden sands, 7 Mile Beach paints a palette of various blues, from turquoise shallows to the deep indigo of the seas, all under the Caribbean sun's inviting warmth. The symphony of the sea provides the perfect backdrop, with waves gently caressing the sandy shore. The wind whispers tales of this untouched sanctuary's history, while the vibrant coral reefs teem with life, adding to the allure. Amid the vibrant Cayman Islands, this serene beachfront feels like a hidden gem, a mesmerizing treasure waiting to be discovered. We continue our journey, now venturing to the idyllic shores of Roatan in Honduras. This paradise is famed for its beautiful white sandy beaches that stretch endlessly, meeting the mesmerizing clear blue waters. The sands, warmed by the generous Honduran sun, create a setting that is not just visually stunning, but also pulsing with a sense of adventure. Beyond the blue waters, Roatan houses the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef, a natural underwater marvel. The turquoise waves of the sea rhythmically caress the coastline, creating a soothing symphony that serenades the inhabitants of this tropical marvel. Roatan is nothing short of a living daydream, a testament to the grandeur of natural beauty. The rich biodiversity adds to the charm of this island. As dusk settles, the moon casts its soft glow over the landscape, transforming it into a twinkling spectacle. The nightfall awakens the nocturnal creatures, their silhouettes swaying in the delicate interplay of light and shadow. In Roatan, every day feels like a new chapter of an enchanting tale, every night like a fresh dream waiting to be dreamed. In the heart of the Caribbean, on the tropical island of Saona in the Dominican Republic, we are met with a serene oasis. Our senses are immediately calmed by the pristine white sandy beaches that are kissed by the sun. A warm wave of tranquility washes over us as the soft, clear turquoise waters lap at our feet, whispering tales of ancient traditions and inviting us on a brief journey. The architecture is a fusion of the old and the new, narrating the resilient spirit of the locals. A closer look at the water reveals a hidden world below, teeming with vibrant marine life. It adds a new color to the cultural fabric of the island, their rhythmic dance in the water echoing the songs of adventure. The locals, with their infectious laughter and rich stories, are the heart and soul of the island. Their customs and hospitality breathe life into Saona, creating a harmonious community that is deeply connected with its roots. The sea, the people, the architecture, they all contribute to the enchanting allure of the island. Saona is not just a destination but a cultural immersion, a perfect harmony of tradition and modernity. It's a place where history is still very much alive, inviting you to become a part of its ongoing narrative, even if only for a brief moment. Finally, we visit Phi Phi in Thailand. This stunning location is no ordinary beach. It's an enchanting world renowned for its clear waters, vibrant marine life, and golden sands that glimmer under the tropical sun. This isn't your typical shoreline. The sands here whisper tales of ancient civilizations, each grain a testament to an olden epic. Walking along this beach is a deeply moving experience. As your feet sink into the warm sand, you feel a profound connection to something much bigger than yourself. It's more than just a beach. It's a spiritual journey, a song that resonates deep within you, creating an indelible memory. The beach reveals its true ethereal beauty at sunset, as the sands reflect the radiant colors of the sky, presenting a spectacle that will take your breath away. Phi Phi is more than just a destination. It's a beautiful unfolding mystery that reveals itself right before your very eyes. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for travel and more, to uncover more hidden travel marvels. This channel is your portal to endless opportunities of learning about the world from the comfort of your own home. Imagine yourself immersed in the tranquil beauty of a hidden beach or walking through the bustling streets of a city far away from your own. With us, you will embark on voyages to distant locales that you've only ever dreamt of visiting. Each video is a testament to the diversity of our planet, capturing the essence of each place we explore. Moreover, by interacting with our community through the comments, you become an integral part of our global family of travelers. Your suggestions, your feedback, your experiences, they all matter to us. They make every trip we take together meaningful. So do tell us about your favorite beach. Maybe it's a gem we haven't discovered yet, or perhaps it's a place that holds a special place in your heart. Whatever it is, we want to hear from you. Our quest to unearth the world's hidden marvels is endless, and we're thrilled that you're accompanying us on this journey. We're eager to continue our journey exploring the world's most stunning and offbeat locations along with you.